You weren't supposed to die tonight.
Good morning.
You knew they were watching you too.
Why now?
9 o'clock. The rooftop.
I'll be there.
The promotion is yours, if you prove your loyalty.
And what does loyalty cost? Him.
They stole my research.
It wasn't supposed to happen like this.
You're part of them. Stay with me.
The traitor isn't who you think. If you're watching this, I'm already gone. Forgive me. I was protecting you.
She was just a tool. You used her. Lay him.